Did you know an engine can be destroyed in less than 60 seconds after a routine oil change, and the driver usually has no idea until the damage is already done? Most people believe an oil change is the safest maintenance you can do for your car. In reality, some of the worst engine failures mechanics see every year happen right after fresh oil is installed. Not because the oil was bad, but because one small step went wrong. Today, we're breaking down oil change mistakes that silently destroy engines. And the final one is the exact mistake many shops make before a car even leaves the service bay. Mistake number 1, using wrong oil viscosity. Most drivers assume oil is just oil. If the bottle fits the engine, it must be fine. That belief is exactly what ruins modern engines. Today's engines are designed with extremely tight tolerances and oil systems that depend on a very specific viscosity. When the oil is too thick, it moves too slowly during cold starts. That means critical parts like camshafts and turbo bearings run almost dry for the first few seconds. When the oil is too thin, the opposite happens. The protective film breaks down under load, allowing metal surfaces to grind together. Mechanics see this most often when someone substitutes 5W30 for engines designed for 0W20, or uses generic bulk oil in vehicles with strict manufacturer requirements. The engine may run fine at first, but microscopic wear begins immediately. Weeks later, the owner hears ticking, oil pressure warnings, or catastrophic bearing failure. The simple rule professionals follow is never guess oil viscosity. Always match exactly what the manufacturer specifies. Mistake number 2, oil filter failures. Here's something most people never think about. The oil filter can destroy an engine even when the oil itself is perfect. Cheap filters often cut corners internally. The paper element can collapse, the bypass valve may fail, or the anti-drainback valve might not seal properly. When that happens, oil either stops flowing or drains back into the pan overnight. The next morning, the engine starts with almost no lubrication for several seconds. That brief dry start can scar bearings and valve components instantly. Mechanics also see installation mistakes constantly. Double gaskets, loose filters, or filters tightened with tools instead of by hand. Any of those can cause oil pressure loss within minutes. The engine warning light appears, but by then, the damage has already begun. A high-quality filter installed correctly is just as important as the oil itself. Mistake number 3, mixing incompatible oil types. Many drivers believe topping off oil with a different type doesn't matter, but inside the engine, oil chemistry is extremely complex. Synthetic, conventional, and high-mileage oils all use different additive packages designed to work in specific conditions. When incompatible oils mix, those additives clash. Instead of working together, detergents and friction modifiers cancel each other out. The oil can foam, lose viscosity, or fail to control heat. Engines with turbochargers and variable valve timing are especially sensitive to these changes because they rely on precise oil pressure and clean passages. Mechanics sometimes discover engines filled with a mixture of leftover oils from different containers. The engine might run, but lubrication quality drops dramatically. Over time, sludge forms and oil passages begin to clog. That's when cam phasers start failing and expensive repairs begin. Mistake number 4, cross-threaded drain plug. This mistake usually happens in a hurry. A technician reinstalls the drain plug slightly misaligned, forcing it into the threads. At first, it seems tight, so nobody notices the problem, but the threads are already damaged. As the engine heats up and oil thins, a slow leak begins. The driver doesn't see it while driving. Oil drips out gradually over hours or days. Eventually, the level drops far enough that the oil pump starts pulling air instead of oil. That's when the oil pressure light flashes, and by that point, bearings may already be severely damaged. Aluminum oil pans make this even worse because their threads strip easily. Once the plug loosens or falls out, the engine can lose all its oil within minutes. A mistake that takes 2 seconds to make can destroy an engine worth thousands. Mistake number 5, overfilling the engine with oil. Most drivers worry about running low on oil. Very few realize too much oil can be just as dangerous. When the oil level rises above the safe limit, the spinning crankshaft begins whipping the oil into foam. Imagine a blender churning liquid full of air bubbles. That's exactly what happens inside the crankcase. Foamy oil cannot maintain proper pressure. Instead of a solid lubricating film, engine parts receive a mixture of oil and air. Bearings, cam lobes, and lifters begin experiencing intermittent lubrication loss. Overfilling also increases crankcase pressure, forcing oil into seals, intake systems, and sometimes even the exhaust. Drivers start seeing blue smoke, rough running, and oil leaks that never existed before the service. The simple fix is easy, but often ignored. Always follow the manufacturer's exact oil capacity, and remember the oil filter volume counts towards that number. Mistake number 6, forgetting the new oil entirely. This sounds unbelievable, but it happens more often than people think. In busy service shops, technicians drain the oil, get distracted, and move on to another task before refilling the engine. The car is started or driven out of the bay with an empty crankcase. Within seconds, the engine begins running completely dry. Metal surfaces that normally float on a protective oil film now grind directly against each other. By the time the driver hears knocking or the engine stalls, internal damage is usually catastrophic. Mechanics who tear down these engines often find bearings welded to the crankshaft from heat. One missed step can destroy an engine in less than a minute. Mistake number 7, leaving the old filter gasket behind. Every oil filter uses a rubber sealing gasket. When the old filter is removed, that gasket is supposed to come with it, but occasionally it sticks to the engine block. If a new filter is installed on top of that old gasket, 2 seals are stacked together. At first, the engine seems fine, but as oil pressure rises, the seals shift and oil begins spraying out between them. Drivers might notice smoke or burning smells as oil hits hot exhaust components. In extreme cases, the engine loses several quarts of oil before the driver even reaches the road. A fix that takes 2 seconds to make can neutralize the entire service. Mistake number 8. Not tightening the drain plug correctly. A drain plug that's too loose slowly leaks oil. A plug that's too tight can strip threads or crack the oil pan. Both mistakes are common when proper torque specifications are ignored. Professional technicians use torque wrenches for a reason. Every oil pan has a specific tightening specification designed to seal the washer without damaging the threads. Guessing or using excessive force often creates leaks that appear hours after the service is finished.